Hello everybody, I'm so excited to announce that we've created the Create Your Own Frequency feature. So what does this mean? So when you basically click this middle section in our app at the bottom here, this plus button, it opens up the studio where you can actually create your own frequency. So let me put it in focus here. So I basically have done hundreds of demo videos. I'm the creator of High Frequency Highway. So one of the first things I did was create the legendary studio project from all of these reaction videos. So it has the overlaying sound and then the frequencies that I play when I basically do these demos. So I start off with the alpha, then I get into the gamma, and then into the theta state. So let me show you how easy this is for you to create. So you basically come into the app and click the plus button, and you could actually start with one of these presets here. So let's say we load up this preset. It actually comes with tracks already overlaid, and then you can go in and customize it even more. But let's start from a brand new track. So let's click the new studio, and then you click add element. So first thing is you can actually import a track from your device, so like from your files. The second one is a meditation. So let's say you've generated a meditation in the app before and you want to add this and overlay multiple sounds on top of that. You can do that. Just wait for it to load for a second. So here it has all my previous meditations, and I can go in and select, like for instance this one, click add, and now it has that track ready to be added to this project. So let's go in and actually just create a basic track. I like to start with the frequency. So here we have certain presets. So like calm, it presets those frequencies. Focus, so let's say we want to do this one for 10 seconds. So it'll play those sets of frequencies for 10 seconds. And then once we go to the end here, we can then go ahead and add another element. So like, let's say we do calm next for another 10 seconds. Boom, it switches to that frequency. So it'll automatically go from those frequencies to the new frequencies, and you don't have to do anything. And then we can come here, and then let's say we want to overlay root chakra. So now it's playing the root chakra sound on top of all of those frequencies. So that's really cool. And then another feature that you can do is actually use your voice. So you can come in here and you basically click this record button, and you can say affirmations. You could do a meditation. You could whip out your own sound bowl. So let's just try one. I am loved. I am wonderful. I am abundant. You can play it back. I am loved. I am wonderful. I am abundant. Click save recording. I am loved. I am wonderful. I am abundant. And now it's literally overlaid on the frequencies and sounds. Just that easy. And in the settings up here, you can see, the different binaural beats, what they mean. So if you're wondering, which frequencies you should include, the different definitions, what each one does, default session times. We even have it for like the pure tone frequencies. So we've really thought about how we could really create a feature that could help a lot of people, right? So like, let's say now we want to save. We just click the save at the top right. Save. Or actually just already created this one, so we'll just save as new. And then you can come in, select the category, and you'll see why later. Here you can select the category, select the pricing option, select share, and then you can go ahead and like add a image. So let's just say, let's just put the high frequency honey image. You can add a description. And boom, you click share now. And now people can discover your project and use it for themselves. So once that's done, you can share the link to your friends. So let's say I share it there. And even if they don't have the app, they can open it and play the track. So I'll show you what that looks like as well. So I just sent this link. So when they actually open it and they click the link, it'll show the image, the description, and then they can just click play and actually start playing that sound themselves. So let's just open it back up so we can see where to get there again. So you just want to click the create your frequency button, and now it's showing that track. I'm actually going to delete it because I didn't really spend that much time on it. But you know, once you select the category, you can actually see it here. So you can see all the different options of sounds that people are uploading to. So you can see, okay, this is another track, boom, and you can now play that one. So have fun with it. We want to see all the different frequency combinations that people come up with, because this could actually help a lot of people. You know, who knows what specific frequency somebody's going to discover that's going to help somebody, you know, with their anxiety, or affirmations that's going to rewire somebody's subconscious mind, or a meditation that's going to change somebody's life. You know, we're really pushing the needle forward on frequency technology, and we're so excited to get this feature out to you all. So make sure you guys try it out today. Leave some comments of links of your sounds and frequencies that you've created. I'm so excited to see what we all do together. Peace, and so happy to raise the frequency with you all.